Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I have a morning cleaning hack routine. These are my top things I do most mornings to make sure that things do not get out of hand during the day. I hope these are helpful little tips that I have for you. These are kind of just what I do to make sure that the rest of the day doesn't feel unmanageable and I can keep going with the kids and the house and cooking and everything else that you need to get done in a day. So if I just take a few minutes in the morning to do these few things, I find everything is much more manageable. Let me know if you do these things as well, or similar things, or something that I may not be doing. Thank you so much for watching today's video and joining me here. If you're cleaning along, I hope that you are encouraged. Let's just keep going with the cleaning. Open the windows a little bit if you can. If it's too cold, they're just gonna have to stay closed. Open the curtains, but let some light in, if you can, fresh air, and I make the beds. That is just something that is probably one of the most important things to make everything feel better. And then go around quickly and pick up any cups or plates, or maybe you had a glass of water next to your bed or some tissues. Those are the first things that I usually do. Now I'm going to stay hydrated. I've found this purple juice. I've had it before, but I've not really mixed it with some fizzy water before. I find this little mixture, you use the smallest amount of the juice and you add some, I have a soda stream, so I just make some sparkling water at home and I fill that up, and it just gives the most amazing flavor, and then drinking water becomes delicious, honestly. Already all had breakfast, and now I'm just picking up after breakfast, unpacking the dishwasher, because that is really helpful for me then to put in the breakfast dishes, and pretty much I can fit any dishes for the rest of the day. That way they stay off the counter, they stay out of the sink, and the kitchen is just way more manageable. So if you have the opportunity, it really just takes a few minutes to unpack the dishwasher and then pack in your few morning dishes. just finishing lightly wiping down the kitchen a little bit, making sure things are kind of clean, just presentable, and also good for when we need to make lunch or whatever snack is coming up next, that the counters are clean and nicely wiped down. I do not do a load of washing every single morning, but there are many mornings that, if possible, I just quickly put a load on. That way I have one load to fold away later, and that also makes keeping up with all the washing more manageable as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope these morning tips are helpful. Maybe if you've been trying to find a bit of a routine in the morning to keep things more manageable, that this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye.